Once your job is complete, don't forget to mark it as ready to invoice, as covered in the back costing video. You'll then see the job appear in the invoicing column on your status board. To begin, open the job card and click the invoicing button on the left under the tools section. In this video, we're focusing on charge up or do and charge jobs. Click Create Quick Invoice to generate an invoice that automatically includes all recorded job costs, labour, materials, and supplier invoices. At the top, choose the correct invoice template if you've set any up. Need help with templates? Check out our setup guide. Next, you can head to the body of the invoice where you can adjust prices, add or remove line items, and format the layout to suit your customer. Remember, you can click on the description to edit it. Use rich text formatting, insert links, and even add photos. If you're familiar with quoting in Fergus, invoicing will feel very similar. To add a new line item, type directly into the Add a Line Item field and press Enter on your keyboard. Then fill in the cost, sell price, and quantity. If you use a price book, you can search for items. Prices will autofill if you've set them up correctly. From here, you can combine multiple line items into a single line if you'd prefer not to show a detailed breakdown to your customer. Just tick the items you want to group, click Bulk Actions, and select Combine to one line. You can then give the combined line item any title you like. You'll still be able to see the full breakdown internally, but your customer will only see the simplified title. Now, select Preview in the top right to see exactly what your invoice will look like to your customer. Click the pencil icon to control what columns of information your customer sees. Just tick or untick the boxes at the top, such as quantities, line item totals, and more. When you're happy with the invoice, click Approve. Note, once approved, the invoice can no longer be edited, so double check everything first. Before sending, tick the checkbox on the left if the job phase is complete. Leave it unticked if it's a progress payment for ongoing work. This tick box is telling Fergus if the job is fully invoiced for or not. Now, click Approve and Email to send the invoice to your customer. You'll see an email template. Make any necessary changes to the email body and select any photos or files you'd like to send with the invoice. Keep in mind that you can only send as many files and photos as will fit within standard email limits, roughly 20 megabytes in total. If your accounting software is connected to Fergus, the invoice will automatically sync. The invoice will now appear in the Payments column. Green means the invoice is within payment terms, and red means the invoice is overdue. Payments can be reconciled through your accounting software, and Fergus will update the job status once it's marked as paid. And that's it, you've successfully invoiced a charge-up job in Fergus.